it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video I'm going to be doing a chit chat one brand tutorial featuring Avon, and I'm really excited to share with you why I'm sharing this with you and why I am promoting Avon exclusively. And I'm here to share with you a really special fundraiser going on through the month of November for the Michaela Davert Avon Scoliosis Research Fund at Michigan Medicine, and how you can do your holiday shopping and support your favorite cause at the same time. So without further ado, keep watching this video to see how you can do your holiday shopping through Avon and help support your favorite cause. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get into it. So even though this makeup tutorial is centered around one brand primarily, Avon, I don't have every single product that I use in my makeup routine from Avon. Like, some things they just don't make, like they don't make a primer spray, so I'm using some other brands besides Avon, but only for 2 other products, and then everything else is Avon. So that's why I'm still calling this a one brand tutorial, because honestly I didn't know what else to call. As I mentioned in the intro, it's going to be more of a chit chat style makeup routine, and honestly I don't know if I've ever done one of these, but I figured this would be the best way to tell you guys about my upcoming, well, it's not upcoming, it's happening right now, but I'm getting this video out much later than I anticipated. One, because I didn't get my professional photos back until later than I expected, and then I am just getting this video up later. So anyways, it's happening through the month of November. First, I'm going to be using my NYX Professional Voice Base Primer Spray. I am quickly going to apply this Magic's Tint Oil-Free Tinted Moisturizer. This is from Avon. I've never used this product before. All of these except one of them are brand new to me. I don't even know if I picked the right shade. It looks like I did, but we'll see. And I didn't do this quick enough. I need to apply more primer spray because I like to apply it when my face is damp. We are going to apply. Whoa, it comes out really fast, so be wary. And yes, I need to clean my makeup brushes. Don't come at me. Alright, that comes out super quick. So I am finally going to be able to tell you gals about this. Well, gals and guys, because Avon has so much more than just makeup and skincare now. But my friend Kim is doing a fundraiser for my research fund, and I am, whoa, this comes out so fast. I am just so excited to tell you guys about it. And I try to do a new fundraiser monthly. October, it was mainly just kind of focused on promoting Brett's surprise that he did for me, and then those hoodies that he's selling, those are still available as well. I think there's a few left, those limited edition hoodies. And then this month, for the month of November, my friend Kim she is an Avon representative. She's been an Avon representative for a long time, and she is incredible. And she came to me and was like, hey, through my Avon business, I have the discretion to be able to host fundraisers and do different things with it as I so choose, and I would love to help support your fund. And 40% of everything that everyone purchases through her link will go to my fund. So 40% of the your purchase from whatever you buy from Avon, but it has to, using her link, will go to my fund, which is so exciting. I felt like I was like kind of talking on the side. I still feel like I kind of am, but I just don't have a great setup, but hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. But anyways, yeah, that is what's going to be happening the month of November. So when she approached me, I was like, that would be absolutely incredible. And you guys know that I love makeup, and so I mean a makeup fundraiser for the Michaela Davert Avon Scoliosis Research Fund, like heck yeah. How fun is that? And she picked this time because of like holiday shopping and everything. We thought it would be perfect for this time of year, so that's when she decided to host it. And so I wanted to let you guys know about it in case you wanted to help support it. Like I said, it's through the whole month of November. At some point in this video, I will put a little screenshot of what the page should look like when you pull it up. I'll have the link in the description for her rep link, so you have to use the link in the description. Like, you can't just go to avon.com because you won't be supporting the fund since it's not, fundraiser is not associated with Avon, if that makes sense. Like, they're not sponsoring it, like they don't know about my fund. Like, that would be incredible if they did. And they could help donate. I'm using this also by Avon. It's the Cashmere Complexion Concealer. I didn't even comment. I really like the tinted moisturizer more than I thought I would. I really like how lightweight it is. I typically don't love tinted moisturizers because they don't seem to be as high coverage, but these are really high coverage and I like it a lot. Anyway, back to the fundraiser details. So everything that you guys purchase using the link in the description for the month of November 2021 will go to my research fund at Michigan Medicine. This video is going to be a trip to edit. It's like all over the place. I see why I don't do chit chat, get ready with me. It would really mean a lot if you guys could help support and do some holiday shopping and support my research fund at the same time. That's what's so great about this specific fundraiser is obviously you will be getting your holiday shopping done and supporting your favorite cause at the same time, which is so cool. So we really obviously like want to raise as much as possible. So if you guys could share the link with your friends and family or the Avon enthusiast in your life, we would really appreciate it. And I'm really excited to share with you how much we end up raising at the end of the month. As much as I love my international viewers, unfortunately Avon only ships within the US. So I'm sorry to any of my international followers. If you would still like to make a donation, I'll have the link in the description to the fund directly. And then also my Life is Worth Fighting For apparel is also always available, and that ships worldwide. So I don't typically use these sponges that come with it, but I just started using it. I didn't even say what this was. Hold on, I'll share with you in a minute. It is just too much for me to do to check it ready with me. I'm too all over the place. But I didn't want it to be just like with music for this. I wanted to like obviously chat about it and everything. So I'm just really excited about this fundraiser because it has to do with makeup, and like that's how I started my channel, and like through building my audience, and that's how I'm able to like promote my fund and gain traction with it. And you guys have been such a huge support. Like obviously without some type of following or connection, like I would not be able to, it would make no sense. If I didn't have a community, it would make no sense to start a research fund because I wouldn't have anybody to share it with. It's been very humbling to know that I'm able to make this fundraiser a success, or this research fund a success because of you guys. Because like I said, without a community, I would not be able to, nobody to share the fundraisers with and get the word out there if you don't have community. Like building community and fundraising efforts are so important. This is not something that I can do on my own. Like I have to have support, and it's just been incredible. The reason that I started this fund was obviously so that I can see a day where no one else has to go through what I went through, and just to see all my friends and family, well I shouldn't say all my friends and family, a lot of my friends and family get behind me in this and support my fund has been absolutely incredible. As I've shared the past many months, I'm going to do a product recap in a second here. As I've shared the past few months, like there's only so much that can be conveyed to a screen, and if you guys only knew like the trauma and the physical pain that I have endured the past year has just been a lot. And I'm not one to like play that card, but it's just like that's the reality of why I started this. I knew it was going to be difficult, but nothing could have prepared me for how difficult this past few months have been, or past year has been. And to be able to turn this pain into purpose is such a gift, and it's because of you guys. I could not do this on my own. Like, this is not something that I can do on my own, and you guys are helping to make change in this world, positive change, by donating to my fund and helping see a day where no one else has to go through what I went through. And my friends like Kim who want to jump in and want to host fundraisers and do this is so incredible. So if you or your company would ever like to donate or host an event or a fundraiser, please reach out to me. I'm always looking for new ideas and new people to get involved. I want to do a little product recap because it just got too hard to tell you every product while I was telling you about the fundraiser. So I used this is all from Avon. This is the Magic's Dust Translucent Powder. It's just in the shade Invisible. That's that. I really like that. I'm really liking how my makeup is turning out. And then this is the concealer. This is the Avon Longwear Concealer Cashmere Complexion that I used. And then I don't have a bronzer by Avon, so I just used my Bahama Mama bronzer by The Balm. And I also can't find my Avon mascara, so I'll have to use a different mascara. But for brows, I'm going to use this Tattoo Station Proof Brow Pencil, and I'm in the shade Dark Brown. Yeah, those are some of the products that I've used so far. For those of you that are not incredibly familiar with Avon or like how they've changed over the years, they are not just makeup and skincare, which is why I was so on board with when Kim approached me to do this. Obviously the goal here is to raise as much money as possible with the audience size that I have and the reach that I have, and so I want to be able to reach men and women with many of my fundraisers as I can. Obviously some of the fundraisers are going to be probably geared more towards women or more towards men. Like, it depends on like the ideas that I come up with and what I decide to do as time goes forward. But just kind of like just beginning, I'm trying to keep them targeted to both men and women so that everybody can have interest in it and all of that. So Avon has makeup obviously and skincare, but they also have like home and wellness and stocking stuffers. They have like men's body care, they have men cologne, they have houseware, like homeware, they have all different kinds of things. So that's why I say it's a really great opportunity for you to get your holiday shopping done. I also use this eye primer. This is the VDL Expert Color Eye Primer, so that's what I use. And then now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, and then this is also from Avon. I'm probably just gonna skip mascara, honestly. I'm just kind of doing this to show you guys some of the products from Avon and chat about my fundraiser. So this is also by Avon, and this is the Glimmer eyeshadow palette. This is so me. I love this. My friend Kim is really, really great. She is just so kind and so generous, and to see her want to get behind my fund and like get involved and help out in any way that she can just really means a lot. The family that I have is like around here is like smaller, so I really rely on like a lot of support from friends to make this possible, and like connections, professional connections as well. And so I'm just really, really grateful for her to donate 40% of everyone's purchase through her link to my research fund. Let me know if you guys have questions, of course, about any of this. Like, we will be glad to answer and all of that. But like I said, Avon at this time only does ship to the US, so that is a bit of a barrier. Well, it is a barrier for my international viewers. Like I said, you can still make a direct donation or purchase a Life is Worth Fighting For, and all of the proceeds from the apparel goes to my fund as well. One other thing that I wanted to bring up is, so the thumbnail, you'll notice that I have some professional photos. I know you're probably not used to seeing that. I have not gotten professional photos done in like 3 or 4 years. It's been a hot minute. Kim also made a recommendation to me about a photographer, because everything with my research fund, like any services that I need to make any of these fundraisers happen, completely donor-based. That's how I'm able to do everything that has been done so far. So it's been absolutely amazing to see people and companies come together for this as well. And so one of the goals, or like, I don't know what the word is I'm looking for, but one of the aspects of this fundraiser, like keeping everything extremely professional as far as like promotional purposes for this research fund is incredibly important to me. So that includes the photos. Like I want the photos for these events and these fundraisers to be professional and keep everything professional so that it of course remains professional but also like catches people's eye. And so Kim also made a recommendation to Taylor. She took some headshots for Kim a few months ago, I think, and when I was looking for a photographer, when I was sharing with her like my idea for some photos that I had in mind to promote this on Instagram and everything, she recommended Taylor, and I reached out to Taylor and told her about my fund and like why I was doing this and like why I need pictures, and she jumped on board. And so she not only donated her time but her incredible photography skills to take these promotional pictures for this Avon fundraiser. And so I wanted to give her a huge shout out as well. So if you guys want to book with Taylor, I'll have her info down below on how you can contact her for photos. Like, her work is absolutely incredible and I love these photos. And also let me know in the comments if you do shop using the link in the description, because I want to thank you personally. Thank you guys for helping make these fundraisers possible and successful. So last product in this tutorial is a little lipstick. It's a mini because Kim just like brought these over for me and I just really wanted to do more of like a neutral. In the shade Fog, it's like a neutral brown. I love these for this time of year. It's definitely like my new favorite color. Like, oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna buy a full size of this, and I'm gonna buy a full size of it during the month of November using Kim's link so that it supports my fund as well. I love, like, this is my color for fall and winter. I love browns. I love it. So this is my entire makeup look for using pretty much all Avon products. I really love these actually. Like I really like this look. It's like very subtle but like glam. I really like it. So I just wanted to do this chit chat makeup tutorial and just share with you that if you use the link in the description to shop Avon, you will be supporting the Michaela, Davert, and Scoliosis Research Fund at Michigan Medicine through the month of November. Again, you must use the link in the description. You cannot use any other link. So, if you want to support the fund, and from the bottom of my heart, like seriously, thank you. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell through how much I talk about it, but this truly has been such a passion project for me and just gives me purpose. Like, through this experience this past year, I didn't even realize like how much I needed this because it gives me purpose. And in this life, like, we all, like, especially after going through painful experiences, like, we all need purpose, and this has been such a purpose for me and just really important. And so I want to say thank you for those who choose to shop the link in the description to get your holiday shopping done or get it started if you're like me. And a huge shout out to Taylor for taking the photos that you guys see in the thumbnail and that you've been seeing on my Instagram. And again, I'll have all of Taylor's information, and of course, huge shout out to my friend Kim, who is literally making this fundraiser happen. I cannot thank you enough. Like, you're absolutely amazing, and I just can't thank you enough. It has been so much fun, and I'm so grateful that you decided to do this for my research fund. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Huge shout out to Kim for making this possible, and I hope you guys have fun shopping and get some good deals and some good finds, and let me know what you decide to pick up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Bye guys, thank you so much for all your support.